Hello, and welcome back to part 6 of our responsive restaurant website project. In this part, we'll be designing our reservation form. Let's dive right in. To create our form, let's get the HTML structure out of the way. Now, let's head over to our style sheet and bring our design to life. For our reservation section, We'll set the top and bottom margins to 80 pixels, set the position property to relative, and add 30 pixels of padding. We will select the reservation form class and make it a flex container with a column direction. Center its content both horizontally and vertically, and set the text color to a specific shade of brown. We will also set the font size of the H2 element to 3 rem. For the top left image, we will give it an absolute position at the top left corner of its containing element. Then, we will position the bottom right image absolutely at the bottom right corner, set its width to 9%, and place it 200 pixels from the top. We are going to make the form container a flex container and center its content horizontally. We are also going to use Flexbox to lay out the elements of the form class and give it a fixed width of 800 pixels and also style our form subtitle. For the form left and form right classes, we are going to make them flex items with equal flex distribution and add some padding. Now, let's style our submit button. We'll set its background color to red, text color to white, remove the border, add margin at the top, provide padding, make it full width, and change the cursor to a pointer. We will also change the color to a darker shade to provide a visual indication when the user hovers over the submit button. And that is it for this part. In the next part, we are going to work on our footer. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next part.